what is IPR? These are rights gained over creation of intellect. These rights over property are result of intellectual efforts. These IPR provide exclusive rights. So, what are the types of IPR? As per classification of property, we have seen that the property is divided into two main types as tangible and intangible. We have seen in details in earlier module what is tangible and intangible, right? This tangible property can be further divided into movable and immovable properties. So for example, movable property will be car, jewelry, bicycle, railway, etc. And immovable property will be house or bungalow or college building or bridges, etc. Intellectual property is a type of intangible property.